Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the DUPLON new multi-purpose 4-in-1 makeup book eyeshadow highlighter all-in-one makeup book palette. A mouthful I know, but this little gem promises to be a game changer with 4 makeup essentials in one sleek package. Let's dive into this beauty book and see what it's all about. First off, the packaging. It's designed like a cute hardcover book, compact and travel friendly, so it's perfect for tossing in your bag. Inside we've got 4 sections: eyeshadow, highlighter, blush, and contour all in one place. Starting with the eyeshadow palette, it's got a mix of mattes and shimmers with shades ranging from soft nudes to bold pops of color. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent, not super intense but buildable with a little layering. There's some fallout, so I'd tap my brush first, but for the price it's solid. Next, the highlighter. It's a gorgeous shimmery shade that catches the light just right. I applied it to my cheekbones and brow bone and it gives a subtle glow, not too glittery, just a natural radiance I love. Then the blush, a rosy pink that's perfect for a fresh look. I dabbed it on my cheeks and it blends out so smoothly, giving me that healthy flush. Finally, the contour, a cool toned brown that's creamy and easy to work with. I sculpted my cheekbones and it added nice definition without looking muddy. This 4-in-1 kit is all about convenience. It's great for beginners or anyone wanting a quick full face option on the go. It's not luxury, the pigmentation could be stronger and it's a bit powdery, but for an affordable all-in-one palette, it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this DUPLON kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this palette or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.